Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reset app preferences in the Motorola H30 Neo. So slide up, go to the settings, you have got down here. Now scroll down and search for the system here. There you have a reset option here. There is a reset app preferences. So hit on it and there is a reset apps. Now all of your apps preferences now gonna be resettings and adding to the standard option. As you see, the disabled apps will you not lose any app data. When you hit it, you're gonna be resetting. As you see, we don't have any option that we have to do this, but if you do this, for sure it's been resetting to the factory default. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.